Yo, yo. So, Sunday, baby. April, what, 21st? Sunday. Just getting ready for the season. I got a mess going on with all my equipment. Yeah, I got this tire that needs to be changed. I took it to the auto parts store today to have them do it for me, and they're closed because it's Sunday. They don't open until Monday. So I got a little strategy. I'm gonna try to do it myself. I don't know if it's gonna work. Let's try it. You literally use a ratchet strap. All right. Like I said, guys, I don't know if this is gonna work, but we'll try it. It should work if I get the other one off, but that means I gotta pry and do a bunch of crazy shit. Hold on. Yo, you wanna get the ratchet strap in the center of the tire, okay? I might have this ratchet strap wrong. I'm not sure, hold on. No, I think I got it right. So let's release it. It's not going to take much force. I just want to get, you want to get the strap. See the strap? You want to get it on the center of the tire is what you're saying. Loosened up. It should be all right though. All right, let's try this. I don't know if this is gonna work, guys. It's probably got a hole in it somewhere. Hold on one second. So there's the tire valve, the valve stem, whatever you want to call it. All right, here we go. Oh my God, I think it's working. All right, fill it up a little bit, they say, then release. I think it works. Release the straps. It's got a leak though. I can hear it. Nope, it does not have a leak. Holy shit, it worked. So you release it, put a little air and release it. I think I put a little too much in and then fill it back up again. Yo, it fucking worked, baby. And I still got the new tire. So I didn't even have to use this. My thing is does it have another leak? That's the problem. Yo, if you want to check for a leak, see the dry rot? That's bad. So at least I got the new tire, so I can change it eventually. Hold on, let me listen. Yeah, I don't hear nothing, bro. That shit worked, baby. Look, the even leaf got caught in there. That's crazy, bro. I bought a brand new tire last year, and I didn't even need to. This is for a rototiller for the garden. Yeah, simple fix. Take a ratchet strap, if you have a tubeless tire, wrap it around the rim, make it tight, and fill it up with air. It obviously worked, as you can see. Peace, guys.